National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central McDowell County in western North Carolina, southeastern Madison County in western North Carolina, southeastern Mitchell County in western North Carolina, northeastern Buncombe County in western North Carolina, Yancey County in western North Carolina, until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles east of Marshall, or 5 miles northeast of Weaverville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated, damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Spruce Pine, Burnsville, North Asheville, Woodfin, Weaverville, Mars Hill, Blue Ridge Parkway. Little Switzerland to Linville, Mount Mitchell State Park, Nashville to Craggy Gardens, and Blue Ridge Parkway. Craggy to Little Switzerland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Buncombe, Madison, McDowell, Mitchell, and Yancey.